Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to play cruisers effectively in World of Warships. Cruisers are the most flexible class. They deal damage, support the team, and counter destroyers. First, don't rush in the front line. Cruisers are not tanks like battleships, so stay at mid-range and use cover fire like islands. First, don't rush the front line. Cruisers are not tanks like battleships, so stay at mid-range and use covers like islands. If we go to our tech tree and look at a, let's say, tier 8 cruiser and go to equipment, make sure to use your consumables. Most cruisers have radar to spot destroyers, hydro to detect torpedoes and subs, and defensive anti-air against carriers. So this is hydro. These are fighters to fight against aircraft carriers. And here we have defensive anti-air. And then you make sure to use these consumables wisely to support your team and not just yourself. Third, angle your ship. Never show your broadside and angle slightly so enemy shells bounce off your armor. Fourth, use the right ammo. Use heavy explosives to farm damage and start fires. Use armor piercing on the broadside, cruisers, and battleships for big damage. Fifth, target destroyers first. If you see a destroyer, shoot it. Cruisers are their best counters. Sixth, keep moving, wiggle, change speed, and turn often to dodge incoming shells. And finally, play with your team. Cruisers shine when they support battleships and protect destroyers. And that's it. Stay mobile, use your tools, and play smart to dominate with cruisers in World of Warships.